want to just give me 1 minute.
Just a moment, please.
Just 1 minute.
Just a moment. Silence, please. Silence and listen.
I want you to listen to me. The reason why I came here is that I want you to take what I'm saying. Because we have been tired of people getting into government and telling us or doing the opposite of what they said, and we are keeping quiet. This time around, God will not allow them to do that. This time around, if they do so, God will punish them. The purpose of government everywhere in the world is to care for the poor. In Nigeria, it is to make the poor suffer. And that will stop. I've said to Nigerians, next year election, let nobody tell you to vote for him because it's by tribe. The people in the north or south don't buy bread cheaper. Everybody is suffering. I'm not asking you to vote for me because I'm a Christian. There's no place Christians buy bread cheaper or Muslims buy it cheaper. And don't vote for me because it's my turn. It's turn of Nigerians to take back their country. I'm asking you to vote for me because I assure you, and I'm saying it on this holy ground, I'll turn around Nigeria. Become somebody. The daughter of nobody will become a daughter of somebody.